Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can very easily reuse a balloon, which technique you have to use to reuse a balloon and easily untie a balloon. I'll be showing you that in this video so that you can next time reuse your balloon whenever you want. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can untie and reuse a balloon for multiple times without damaging the balloon. So we'll take our balloon and first we'll inflate it. After we have inflated the balloon to our desired size, then we'll come here to the tail section. Pay attention on what I'm going to do so that you can easily do it at home as well. Here is tail section. We are normally going to go around the balloon, but we will not make the knot yet. You see this bottom area that we have here on the balloon? This piece. I'm talking about this piece here. When we will go around our balloon to make a knot, we will only push it half. Inside this loop that we've made here, we will only push that bottom area half for inside. Not completely, just half, and you'll keep some sticking out for this side as well. Like this, you'll be having a balloon which you can reuse and untie it again. So now suppose I've had my party, I've celebrated my party, and now I want to reuse this balloon. I want to de-inflate it. I want to untie it and de-inflate it so that I can reuse it for another time. Then we'll simply go to this bottom area again. And this half piece that is sticking for outside, this piece, this area here, because this is inside the loop, but this area is sticking out of the loop, you'll simply pull it here. And simply we have untied our balloon here. Release the air. And you can use this balloon any other time. So now we are going to inflate the balloon again to show you that we can reuse it. Inflate it to whichever size you wish to inflate it, and then again the under section, the tail section, inside this loop that we have created, we will only put half of it inside. So that whenever we wish, we can pull here on this other side and easily untie this balloon. One thing to remember, that this thing that we have did here, this technique that we have did here, we have tied this balloon only halfway. There is still space in it for air to escape. It won't escape fast, so if you use this for one day, it's fine, but you cannot make this and keep it for the next day or other day, otherwise the balloon will de-inflate very fast. Let me know in the comment section below if you did like this DIY. If you did like this DIY, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Do check all the other decorations on my channel, and I'm sure you'll find something awesome to make your occasion special.